Happy first day of spring! This is Frances Snider with Royal LePage, Royal City Realty, and it is March 20th, 2026, and officially the first day of spring. With spring, there is a new sense of hope, joy, and the anticipation of new growth. It's been a very long winter, and we hope these same things transition into the spring real estate market in the region. The Wellington County real estate market has reached a definitive turning point as we move through early 2026. For those that have been tracking the data, the narrative is clear. We've moved firmly into a buyer's market, defined by a significant surge in inventory that is currently outpacing local demand. While the average sale price for February showed a modest uptick of 0.95% to $807,699, the broader indicators include a dip in median prices and a rise in expired listings. And those point to a landscape where patience and strategy are now the primary currencies. For those looking to enter the market or upgrade, the current conditions offer a level of selection and breathing room not seen in recent years. New listings in Wellington County rose by 7.5% this February to reach 484, providing a wider array of options across the region. Perhaps more importantly for your negotiating position, the unit sales to listings ratio has dropped to 36.57%, falling well below the 39% threshold that typically separates a balanced market from one that favors buyers. This shift for buyers is also reflected in the time you have to make a decision. The average days in the market has climbed to 52 days year to date in the region, and an increase of 13 days compared to this time last year. With the median sales price down 4.86% to $740,000 for the month, buyers are finding more opportunities to secure properties at more approachable price points without the frenetic pressure of immediate multiple offer scenarios. Now, if you're a seller and you're planning to list your home, the data suggests that business as usual won't suffice in this more competitive environment. We're seeing a notable increase in expired listings, which surged by 43% to 82 in February, signaling that properties not priced precisely or not marketed aggressively are failing to connect with buyers. While the average sales price remains resilient at $807,699, the year-to-date sales volume has declined by 17.5%, indicating a slower overall pace of transactions. Success in this market requires a realistic outlook on pricing and timing. The sales prices versus list price ratio for February stood at 97%, a slight decrease from the 98.4% seen a year ago, meaning buyers are successfully negotiating further away from the asking price. Sellers must be prepared for longer wait times and more discerning buyers who are no longer rushed by a lack of inventory. Now looking ahead, the Wellington County market is expected to remain in buyer-leaning territory as inventory growth continues to exert pressure on supply levels. The median sales price year-to-date has settled at $735,000, down 7.33% from the previous year, suggesting that price stabilization is still a work in progress. While the dip in unit sales, down 6.35% for the month, presents a challenge for immediate liquidity, it also creates a unique window for strategic investors and move-up buyers to capitalize on the lack of competition. The primary challenge for the coming months will be the continued growth of inventory. If new listings continue to climb at the current rate while unit sales remain soft, we may see further softening in the median price. However, for those with a long-term view, this period of recalibration represents an essential opportunity to find value in one of the most desirable regions before the market eventually shifts back towards a balanced market. We look forward to working with you, and I hope that you have a wonderful weekend ahead and a beautiful beginning of spring. Take care, and we'll talk soon.